Welcome to Harmonious Adventures. We're the Harmon family. We're here to share our journey of exploring new places, making memories, and enjoying life to the fullest. Along the way, you'll find travel tips, tricks, and inspiration to make your own adventures smoother and more exciting. And when you're ready, I can even help book your next vacation. All you have to do is pack and go. Cheers to new adventures, and let's explore together. Welcome everybody back to Harmonious Adventures. We are on day 3 of Vegas. Yesterday was just like a chill spa, pool day, hangout. We stayed in the Venetian and didn't leave, but today we are headed out to the Hoover Dam. We rented from Hertz, which has a car rental place here at the Venetian, super easy. So we're headed down to get in the vehicle and go explore. So come with us. I loved this ride through Henderson because if you didn't know, I actually visited my aunt and Uncle Smiley that lived in Henderson, so this was such a great flashback just driving through town. Well, we have stopped off at a gas station in Boulder City, and I have been reminiscing on my time with Aunt Dot. So blessed that in my childhood I got to come to Vegas a lot because my Aunt Dot and Uncle Smiley lived here. And it's just brought me back like so many good memories, and just driving around has been so cool to be able to like reminisce about old times and like how Vegas used to be back in the day when I was 15 and how, what is that, 30 years ago almost, how much Vegas has changed. And even talking about like how much fun it would be to bring Bo out here. So anyways, we have had a great time. Ryan's messing around with this rental car. We are getting some gas, getting some bottles of water, and then we are headed out on our adventure. We're right here next to Chili Jillies. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Chili Jillies. Anyways, thank you guys for coming along with us and sharing on this fun adventure. I'm so glad that you guys have been able to just follow along with us. Looking forward to getting out here to the Hoover Dam. So let's go.
I ain't gotta buy any more for the rest of the trip now. Hell, it was $6 for one there. Yeah, pretty good deal there. It was like, it was a pretty good deal. It was meant to be.
Listen, do you want to do this this Hoover Dam audio tour self-guided? It follows our navigation, and then if there's things like off to the side, it'll tell us about it.
Sure.
I thought that'd be fun.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. We're driving through Boulder City and coming up into the Lake Mead area. One of the things that I thought was so interesting about Boulder City is that the city was built in the 1930s to house many of the people that worked on the Hoover Dam. As we're leaving Boulder City, we're entering into the Lake Mead area, and this was so interesting to me. It was created by the Hoover Dam. So once it was completed in 1936, the lake was named after Mead, and it straddles the border of Nevada and Arizona. It's 110 miles long, and it has some really deep areas. As a Florida girl, I absolutely loved seeing all of these mountains, the red rocks. It's fantastic to be able to step out of your element and get away. Heading out to the west was the best. It was refreshing for our soul and just spiritual. I kept saying it this whole trip. There's just something amazing about being out in nature. I didn't record us going through the Hoover Dam gates because I wasn't sure how they would feel about security being recorded, but we did just go through the Hoover Dam security gates. We got our car inspected by a security guard, and then we were passed through. And then up here you'll see we'll pull off to the side and head up to look at the Hoover Dam from the front. Walk all the way or go up these stairs? This is going to be awesome. Ryan and I, in the previous Las Vegas trips, have been across the Hoover Dam, so we decided that we wanted to go back and explore Lake Mead. So this is where we're headed now. Water is green then.
But there's the police. 15.
One of the things I didn't expect is for it to be so hot. And I really didn't want to go purchase anything that I didn't need. So I wore a pajama top and workout shorts and slip-on Steve Baddens that I had brought for the airport. So if I look a little crazy in this video, that is why, but that wasn't going to stop me from getting out and exploring. it dark in the water right there?
I don't know. Let's do an hour rental on one of those, please. You'll run about 75 across the lake. That looks fun. He looks like he's having a good time. He slowed down for us.
And now we're walking down to this marina.
Lake
Check
Mead
out
Marina. Looks like it has some kind of
boats they have down here in storage and just explore.
Yeah, they've really got fast boats, fountains. We love those.
Look at all these little duckies. It
Oh, there's a duck.
has an interesting,
Little green head.
interesting smell down
Let me make sure I lock.
Look at these fish.
Yeah, I see that.
Wow. What are these?
Is that snook? Yeah.
What, they're coming right up to us. They must be like used to being fed.
Those look like some big old snook.
They kind of have like a catfish.
No, that's not a catfish, but definitely some kind of, I think a snook. I don't know. That's pretty. So. Wow. Puffer fish. We
He's
get
like,
that.
feed me.
Got him.
You gotta like catfish. You gotta like catfish.
Pretty sweet. Just seeing what they. It's just their basic little Freedom Boat Club. There might be a Freedom Boat Club here.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't think about that. Is there a Freedom here? I bet it does.
So crazy.
I'm your cameraman.
Yeah. Thank you, cameraman.
You're welcome. Everybody asks me, I'm gonna be like, she's just a high-profile influencer. She got like 1 million followers. I'm a cameraman.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, you got the duckies.
Wow.
My duck wants some. That's pretty.
I'm gonna use the restroom.
Okay. I'll wait on you. How is it down here? Yeah, this would be the spot to get some jet skis.
We don't have to go in here.
I know. That's where I wanted to walk around. I bet there's some pretty awesome boats back up in there. But like, here's a good one. It's old. But I bet there's some real nice high-end ones. Yeah.
Does it say how deep it is right here?
I got my Navionics. Maybe it'll pull it up. Loading. Okay, it does have it.
What? Tell you how
I
deep
got
it
a
is?
Navi.
We took a break from recording and went into that small little cafe and had a drink, and then we were ready to head back to Vegas for the night. So here we are driving back towards Vegas. I hope that you guys enjoyed our trip out to the Hoover Dam and Lake Mead area. We certainly had a great time getting out of the city and exploring. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and we will see you real soon.